guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'll be making some peanut punch or Strongback for you guys. You know, people always say this is a man drink. Well, today I'm gonna make this and we have a special guest who's gonna do a taste test for us. So stay tuned if you want to see me make this peanut punch. So the ingredients that I'll be using are nutmeg, Supligen, Dragon Stout. I don't like Guinness, but you can use Guinness if you don't like Dragon. Vanilla, condensed milk, linseed, Irish mash, raw peanut, and some salt and cinnamon to give it flavor. And you're gonna need a blender or a juicer. Some can blend up the things them together. So this is all we're gonna use. Firstly, we're gonna boil the Irish mash. This was already washed and with some lime. I'm gonna boil it now. And this is gonna take some time. So if you want to see your regular Irish mash is boiled, the punch, Irish mash punch, you can check out my video. You can check out my other video that I make Irish mash. So see, it's boiling and boiling and boiling. I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes and then we're gonna make it cool. And I'm gonna start. See? I want most of the Irish mash to boil because we're gonna blend it after. So I'm finished boiling it now. I'm gonna let it cool. I'm gonna let it cool down a bit and then add it to the blender. First is add the peanut. And this is about a half pound of peanut. Add the Supligen. You don't have to add them in any particular order. See, the Irish mash is cooling down, that's why I do it first. Okay, I'm gonna blend this. Alright. Smells nice. Add some Dragon Stout. The peanuts have a tendency to stuck at the bottom, so you want to use something to stir up the mixture. We're gonna blend again. And you want your peanut chunks to be nice and smooth. We want nice and smooth peanut chunks. Alright, nice and smooth. If you can get your peanut smooth as possible, that is the best thing. Oh, I just love this. Oh my god. If you find out to get more thick, you add more liquid. handful of linseed to it. Oh Lord. Alright. 2 tablespoons vanilla. Gonna add some into it. 2 tablespoons vanilla. A pinch of salt. A pinch of salt. Okay. Some nutmeg. I'm gonna grate this. Grate 1 nutmeg, which is about 1 tablespoon. So I'm gonna add this in there also. I'm gonna give it one more blend. This is the Irish mash, and I'm gonna pour it into this. I'm gonna pour half first, and I'm gonna put all of this. And I'm gonna pour the remainder Irish mash into this. And I'm gonna do this to take out the remainder of the blend. I'm gonna mix this to the Irish mash, and we're gonna mix them up. Smell good. Now I'm gonna add the condensed milk. We're not adding too much because we don't want it sweet. You can sweeten it according to your taste, but we don't want it to be sweet. Alright, that's enough. I'm gonna sweeten it around. I'm gonna stir it around, if you say. Stir. Real Strongback punch. I might have some Strongback roots to make that the night, you know. But I'll make that another time. Alright, let me taste. Oh my. See, it's thick and nice. Thick and nice. If you want, you can go ahead and add oats or a ripe banana, but I don't like ripe banana and I don't want oats in mine. But if you like that, you can do that. I don't like ripe banana to drink like that. Okay. Oh my. Tastes so good. And it not chill, and it tastes so good. Imagine when it's cold. Oh my. Alright. So this is it, guys. This is how I make my peanut punch with natural peanut. If you don't have peanut, you can go ahead and use peanut butter, but I think the peanut is the best to use. So you can go ahead and make this at home. When you see, you can drink this like a breakfast because this having enough protein. You can do it as a dinner, can drink it whenever you like, because I drink it whenever I like. So you can go ahead and make this simple and easy recipe with lots of nutrients and mineral, you know, and flavor. God. So this is how I make my peanut punch, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. So I'm gonna let my special guest do a taste test for you guys and let him tell you what the drink tastes like and how is it. You can smell this bursting with flavor. Oh my god, it's so thick and nice. And we're gonna top this off with some whipped cream, just for presentation. Everything looks good. Put some vanilla and nutmeg on top. Okay, and there you have it, guys. This is my peanut punch with natural. Oh no, man, look on it, and it tastes damn good. Look again on it. Come on now, you need to go and make this. So I guess, and it's gonna taste it and tell me what it tastes like. So I'm gonna strike my phone and come back again.
Guys, look at the consistency. Looking good. Wow.
What it is? I did a good job.
Thick. Can taste the peanut, the nutmeg.
You feel it in your back?
Strongback.
You feel like you can go for another one?
5 more rounds, yeah.
Alright, bye guys.
Guys, this thing up. Like and subscribe to the channel.